Having not been to South Africa before, it's always been on my bucket list to go to.
South Africa, I've booked it for years but never been myself, so...
I think most of my ideas were that it was quite very hot and not a lot around, so not a lot of vegetation or anything, very much dirt and animals really.
I felt quite nervous because I think a lot of people think it's very unsafe to travel around. I didn't really know how expensive it would be to come.
I wasn't sure what to expect, but had always wanted to come, so really excited to be on the trip.
My perceptions for African food, I would imagine eating lots of game, maybe some ostrich.
Lots of game type food and very quite spicy things.
I didn't really have any ideas of what type of food that you have over here.
Buffalo.
Heard they have very good meat and very good fish.
Yeah, any kind of meat.
But I didn't know a lot about African food before I arrived, so kind of quite an open mind really.
We visited Hout Bay Harbour Market. It's a really vibrant area. It was full of life. The wine was amazing, the food was outstanding, they paired up terrifically, and then we did some shopping around the market.
Very friendly people, great wine. Came back with all sorts of things that I must have but probably don't need. It was a great time, very good. We went to Amazink, which was an amazing area in the township. The dancers and the singers were absolutely incredible. You had to dance, you couldn't sit.
Cape Town itself has got a wide variety of hotels. The afternoon tea at the hotel was amazing.
Oh, the Waterford Estate wines have been amazing. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. The chocolate comparing was just out of this world, and it marries up so well. I'm actually a white wine drinker, but the red wines have been expert, absolutely sublime, really lovely. Now I'll have a taste.